Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome back for another math lesson with me, Miss Harwood. Let's kick off our lesson with our counting warm-up. As you all know, I'm really clumsy. So that means that I make a lot of messes on accidents or fall down. This morning, I spilled my 100 popsicle stick collection all over the floor. I need your help counting them with me. Let's go get counting.
Here they are. What a mess. All right, get ready to count them with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Nice job. We counted to 100 by ones. Now, let's count them by tens. I made piles of 10 for each of my popsicle sticks. So let's quickly count them by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Nice and loud. Go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job counting.
Thanks for counting all of my popsicle sticks. Thank goodness I didn't lose any of them. I would have been heartbroken. All right, so yesterday we practiced writing our numerals from 1 to 30. Today, we are going to look closer at our numerals and practice comparing them. Specifically, our learning target for today is I can compare numbers between 1 and 20. Compare means to see what is the same about things. For this activity, we're going to see how numbers are the same, but look more closely at which number is bigger or smaller. Let's look at this anchor chart behind me. The question here says, how can we compare sets of numbers? There are 3 different ways to compare sets of number. The first way is if they're equal, which means that they're the same. Looking on this side of the chart, you see that this 10-frame row and this 10-frame row both have 5. That means that they're equal. They have the same amount. Here you can see that it says greater, which means more. So if we say greater, that means it has more. So you can see that there are 4 dots in this 10-frame row and 3 dots in this 10-frame row. 4 is circled because it is more, it is greater than 3. The last way that we can compare sets of numbers is if it's fewer, which means less than. So fewer means less than. So again, we have our 4 dots in this row and 3 dots down here. The 3 is circled because it has fewer than 4. It has less than or fewer than 4. For today's activity, we are going to use these words, equal, greater, and fewer, to compare different numbers shown on cards. So you will not need any materials for today's activity. Let's get started.
You can see that I have 2 gumball machines here ready to be filled with some gum. Down here are my 2 piles of cards that will tell me how many gumballs go in each machine. As we put the number of gumballs in to the machines using our counters, we will need to figure out which one has more or a greater amount. Our focus today will be to find the greater number. I'll show you how to do this activity with our first 2 cards. So first, I need to flip the first 2 cards. And you can see I have a 5 and a 9. I think 9 is greater than 5. So let's see if I'm right. We're going to need to put 5 counters into this gumball machine because that's the card I have here. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need to put 9 gumballs into this machine because that was the card below the gumball machine. So count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, there are all my gumballs. Ooh, they barely fit into the gumball machine. Now I can see that 9 is greater than 5, which means there's more with 9 than over in 5. Because there are more counters in this gumball machine than in this gumball machine. You could also hear that when I counted that I went past 5 as I was counting to 9. Now, let's try some together. First, we flip 2 cards over. So now my numbers are 3 and 6. Which number do you think is greater, a 3 or a 6? Let's see which number is greater using our counters. So how many gumballs go into this machine? 3. 3 gumballs go in this machine. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now how many go into this machine? 6. 6 gumballs go into this machine. Ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, looking at our gumball machines, can you tell me which one has more? 6. The 6 is greater than 3. So that means 6 is greater than 3. It has more. Let's do another gumball problem. Our next two numbers are, what's this number? 19 and 2. Which number is going to be greater, or which number is greater? 19 or 2? $19 or 2? Which do you think is greater? Which one has more? Let's see which number is greater using our counters. How many gumballs am I going to put over here? 19. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh my goodness, we could barely fit all of our gumballs into the gumball machine with 19. Now how many gumballs go over here? 2. Ready? 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Now looking at our gumball machines, can you tell me which one has more? 19 has more gumballs than 2. 19 is greater than 2. Let's do another one. Our next two numbers are 7 and 11. Which number do you think is greater, 7 or 11? Which number do we think has more, 7 or 11? Let's check using our counters. How many gumballs go into this machine? 7. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many do we put in this gumball machine? 11. We're going to put 11 into this gumball machine. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now looking at our gumball machines, which one is greater? Which one has more counters? 11. 11 has more counters. You can see that it takes up more space in our gumball machine than in our 7 gumball machine. Let's do another one. Our next two numbers are, what number is this? 4 and what number is this? 14. So which number do you think is going to be greater? 4 or 14? 4 or 14? Which number is going to be greater? Let's check using our counters. How many gumballs go into this machine? 4. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many gumballs go into this machine? 14. This is the number 14. Get ready to count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now looking at our gumball machines, which number has more or is greater than 4 or 14? Which number has more or is greater? 14, for sure. 14 has way more gumballs than 4. Wonderful job comparing different numbers with me today. Now, it's your turn. For your assignment today, you will need paper and a pencil to complete your work. Pause the video now if you need to grab these materials, a paper and pencil. Your assignment today is to compare these 6 number sets and circle which number is greater. Here is an example. We have a 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. To help you out, if you're not sure which number is greater, you can always draw circles to help you figure that out. So you could draw 9 circles, just like this, underneath the 9. Then you could draw 3 circles under the 3. Now we can see that 9 has more circles than 3, so that means 9 is greater than 3. So you would draw a circle around the 9. So go ahead, copy down these number sets and get started on circling the number that is greater. Once you have finished your assignment, take a picture and send it to your teacher to show them what you learned about comparing numbers. Great job today, and I'll see you tomorrow.